Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two SEO tools platform, which is Surfer SEO and SpyFu. So let's get started with a quick breakdown. Surfer SEO is a widely used for content-driven research, keyword research. It's built for writers, bloggers, and marketers who want to create SEO optimized content based on real-time SRP data. Surfer also analyzes the top ranking page for any keywords and tells you exactly how many words, headings, image, and keywords to include. It ideal for on-page SEO and content strategies with built-in AI tools, content scoring, and integration with Google Doc. However, it's not designed for a deep competitor spine or PPC campaign. And SpyFu, on the other hand, is focused more on competitors' keyword research and PPC data. It lets you uncover what keywords your competitors rank for, what they are bidding in Google Ads, and how their SEO strategies platform works over time. You can also track ranking, monitors backlinks, and analyze domain performance. Why it's great for spying and planning. SpyFu isn't as strong for writing or optimizing content directly. And here, overall conclusion: just so for SEO, if you are focused on writing better, higher ranking content with data-backed structure, or choose SpyFu if your goal is to analyze competitors, uncover hidden keywords opportunity, or improve your PPC and SEO strategies. Both are great, but for every different purposes. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms, and if you find the video helpful, turn the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.